Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? I think it's like the afternoon now. Let me see. Yeah, like 12:58. I told my anyway. What's going on is I gotta go to work. They asked me to come in early because they're trying to make speed, so I must be doing a good job. I am pretty quick. Anyway, um, and y'all remember that situation about at work with the money coming up missing? Can y'all see me? I can see y'all. Anyway, y'all remember that situation about the money coming up missing? And I supposed to got rolled up? And I told you that wasn't gonna happen. Guess what? That didn't happen. I told you. I ain't getting rolled up. Wasn't my fault. Told him. Somebody tried to 1-2 me, and I hit him with a 2-1. So that's cool. I don't know if y'all understand that. That's gang shit. 2-1, Adelaide. Y'all don't get it? Anyway, 2-1 means cool. Ha! Y'all might not get that, but whatever. So anyway, everything's 2-1 on that. So yeah. Yeah, so I gotta go to work early today, y'all. Gotta go to work early today. So, and then my nephew, Kobe, kids, y'all gotta tell people when, you got something going on, cause we don't know. Kobe needed to go sign up for this trial thing or whatever. He needed to go enroll for something, and I didn't know, cause I gotta be at work today, and he been knowing for like a week and a half that he had to do this. So if he would have told me, I could have took care of that, but he didn't tell me. So I need him to figure something out. I'm gonna try to go to work and see if I can step out and go take care of that or whatever, but I don't know how that's gonna go. So we'll see, and I'll see y'all later. And I tell y'all about it. Yeah, that just happened. I don't know if you caught it, but that just happened. Haha, good morning.